Hello, my name is Shant Karapogosian, based out of La Habra, California. Thanks for checking out my build at PASMAG Tuning 365.
Hey Sean, it's good to see you here at Formula Drift.
Nice to see you. Man.
Nice Very cool. The car behind me, your 1972 Datsun 240Z. Please tell me all about it, man.
So it's a 72 240Z. Always loved the car. Kind of had it, sitting in the back of a shop that I grew up in. Fully built it, nut and bolt restoration. Nice. Chose the color myself too. Kind of made a custom.
What color is that anyway?
It's custom color. It's based off of a special edition Lamborghini that came out, but took it, kind of made it a little bit more retro. Fully built suspension on it. This car, driver's car, love driving it.
Nice.
Love tracking it too.
Wait, you track your car?
I do track this car.
Okay, tell me about the suspension on the build, man.
Suspension, it's not a Techno Toy tuning suspension. It's a custom suspension that they pretty much build Z cars. So love it, drives great. It's on Coney shocks, Swift springs. We got the car corner balanced at 2,300 pounds.
Very
so that's super light.
Oh yeah.
That's with the interior and everything on it too, and a full sound system with JL audio. So
you have a sound system in the car?
Yeah, I got a sub back there too.
You must enjoy driving this thing, man.
Love it.
I would too.
Yeah. So stock engine. Right now I got another engine I'm building for it with a little bit more power.
So those are your future plans for more power.
Yes, sir.
New motor in there.
Yeah. So I'm going with the L28 turbo. So kind of keep it original with that inline six. Still out of an early Z car, but we're hoping to push like 350, 400 horsepower.
That's some good horsepower goals, man, for sure. What's your favorite part on the build?
Favorite thing would definitely be the suspension on it. Yeah, the suspension's insane. After tracking it 3, 4, 5 times, just really realizing that the potential the car has is a lot more than what you would expect.
Now, do you work on the car yourself, or do you take it to shops?
Yeah, I did it all myself. I grew up in this business as well, so I have a background in automotive. So it helped for sure.
It definitely helps, yeah. And you're very passionate too about the build.
Yes.
The fact that you drive and track the car, you enjoy it, man.
Yeah, a lot of people look at me like I'm crazy, but I love it.
Very cool. There's a time, man, and great build.